Guys, Elliot the real estate champ here.
Ruby the broker.
And today we're at our closing. And what city are we in?
We are in Corona.
And what are we doing here today?
Blue carpet experience, delivering keys.
Blue carpet experience, here we come. Kyle and Erica, we are here in the same spot that we met. That is now your home. You came to our open house, you love the property, you said you wanted it, and it is yours. You have a new baby, and time to create memories with the two little ones.
Thank you so much for choosing us to help you be part of this journey of yours. And we're so excited for you to start creating memories here.
Congratulations. Yay! Welcome home, guys.
You excited?
Yes! Did you get this car for me?
We sure did.
Look at it. Is that for Ryder?
Yeah, it is!
Awesome.
Great design.
Read this.
We didn't have one, so that's actually one of the only things we were still.
Yay! Perfect.
Is the cockatoos still here? love that. Sierra, look at
And
this.
cookies.
Wow.
Sierra, they left you cookies.
Oh, these are cool. You'll like this book. This book is awesome. Watch this cheetah. Look at watch. Run, cheetah.
Oh my goodness, so cute.
You didn't notice that? Oh, and look at there's like different animals. Oh, look at the elephant. That is actually pretty cool. I've never seen a book like that.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow, that is pretty cool, huh? Look at that safari. Yeah. I hope that you're excited about your new adventure here. We'll surely miss this awesome place. Best wishes to you and family. Congratulations on the newest addition to your family,
Turtle.
Ben and Penny. And P.S. We thought your daughter might enjoy these books.
Oh, sweet.
This is nice, huh?
Owie.
Are we sure?
Sure. Alrighty, capture the moment for us.
Yeah. Cheers.
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 My name is Sierra. Thank you for helping us get this new house. Blue Monkey Realty.
Say
Hooray.
Awesome, thank you guys. Really do appreciate it. It's been an awesome experience. You know, short term, long term. So obviously, Blue Monkeys really made us feel like a family. Anyone looking out there to look for a realtor, we highly suggest them. And thank you so much for helping us find our dream home.
Science.
We love Blue Monkeys.